congratulations on Mazak new venture in India. What's your view on the Indian manufacturing sector?
It's ever-growing manufacturing industry here in India.
Okay.
And I strongly feel we decided right timing to make a machine in India and very good timing to start the operation this year.
So manufacturing tools is an industry that usually evolves slowly, and in 20 years things have changed a lot. So what has been the big revolution in the machine tool over the last 20 years?
Our sales, horizontal machine center segment, with high volume productions, with turnkey solution from us. This made us a big volume in terms of sales.
Okay. And what about the technology part? How would you define that?
Technology part is the fixturing part is one of the know-how, and which we have already in India, and making a fixture and trial the fixtures and give a turnkey solution to our customer.
Okay.
It's need a experience, need a know-how, and need a good proposal. And we must make it true, make it happen. It's huge investment from customer side, not buying a single unit of machines, something like this, but I'm talking about horizontal machine segment. A customer buy multiple numbers together with automation systems.
Okay.
So that creates a huge amount of business for us.
Great. So in an interview you had said that, and I quote, "I would like to continue to visit machining site around the world, and it is important not only to read reports from our sales team but also to visit and see firsthand what is happening in our sites." So how has this habit helped Mazak?
Visiting customers. How visiting customers? Your habit is there for visiting customers. Your habit is there for visiting customers again and again. How it is helping Mazak?
Now this is all the hints, not only the machines, but our business hints is always, I believe, come from customer side. Customer shop floor and talking with customers' management team, so that I can understand the comments 10 years ago and today. It's completely different here in India. 10 years ago, different requirement. Today, another different requirement. So without coming or without having a conversation, talking with customers, we cannot get hint. And this hint, what I get here in India, our team get here in India, we directly feedback to our development team in Japan.
Okay.
So in this regard, those cycle, visiting the customer, having a discussions, making a good proposal based on this visit, and give a better proposal to customer, and working together
Okay.
always together with our customer.
Great. So one of the technology that has taken over is additive manufacturing, and it is growing highly in machine tool industry. So how do you evaluate its impact in the sector?
To be honest, it has been taking already 7-8 years since then we have started these technologies, and still learning. We have a success story already throughout the world, but this is not selling the machine like this or like this, like that. It takes a lot of time working together like a project between customer and our team, and make a good component, additive manufacturing component, one by one. So this additive manufacturing technology, beside the technology, require a lot of application technology. That's sometimes takes a lot of time.
Yes.
So gradually improving the technology as well as our business opportunities and actual business.
So, how have you seen any new growing trends in this industry? Any new growing trends in this industry?
New trends in the machine tool.
AM? No, machine tool. Actually, we have, the automobile sectors quickly try to shift their car to electric vehicle, and we have to catch up. And fortunately, we have one of the core technologies called friction steer welding, making a EV component. We display there. Please take a look later on. This is absolutely requirement technology for EV component. This component is completely different from our traditional component.
Electric cars.
Vehicle cars.
Okay. So you spoke about new materials like composite. So what is the impact of it in machine tool industry?
We have to adapt it. Material has been changing in last 10 years, last 20 years, and will be changing next 10 years, or even next 20 years. So machine is machines, but we have to adapt those material changes. For example, we talk about aerospace industries. Their material has been changing, as you know.
Yeah.
Composite, the aluminum or stainless steel become a composite.
Yes.
And more alloy type of materials is required, which machine specifications has to be changed to adapt material changes.
Okay. So there is one more thing called as the intelligent machines that you have highlighted. So could you talk about that?
Last Gym Top show, last year in November, we launched one special software called Mazak DX. That is very unique softwares. You can make so-called digital
Connection.
digital quote. So our customer receive inquiry from their partner or from their customer. Then the digital quote start to work, making a quotation to their customers in less than 30 seconds. It used to take 3 hours, now become only 30 seconds. It's called digital quote. Then setting up procedures also done by this Mazak DX by using a technology of digital twins. Also, we developed this digital twins software by ourselves, and we integrated into Mazak DX. So setting up time again drastically reduced. Okay. So besides talking about mechanical side, we've been putting so much effort to develop latest digital technology, software, and operation systems for our products, for our customers.
Okay. So last two questions. What does digitization mean for machine tool industry?
As you know, I don't know exactly this is happened to Indian manufacturing society, but if we look at world manufacturing societies, one of the critical and one of the very serious problem is shortage of manpower. And in this regard, digital technology will support this issue a lot. Yeah, because you cannot get hire recruit 10 person in one time. We can recruit only 2 or 3. This is actually happened in our country, Japan. So how can we compensate? So digital technology could help to not to reduce, but continuing a business with a limited number of staff. So this has been already started last 5 years, and it has been successful much more than initially we thought. So we will even strengthen this side of technology to our business.
Okay. So achieving climate neutral industries, it's a goal now. So how important is environment and sustainability to Mazak?
How important?
Go green.
Go green, go green.
Yes.
I think this is must in terms of society, in terms of own sake. I think you can share this my feeling. So as a manufacturers, we have found many things we can do in terms of go green strategies. But most important issue, we said we will reduce 50% CO2 reduction by 2030. It is not so easy for our business, not only manufacturing side and supply chain side. Most importantly, we have to develop the machines for less CO2 or less energy consumption machines is required, because after we installed our machine to customers use our machine for 10 years or 15 years. This is the largest portions if we think about 50% reductions. So we have all of our products must eco-friendly products, less energy consumption machines to reduce this percentage for sure.
Okay.
And this step by step, as I said, our time limit is another 7 years. I think we can achieve. Not easy, but we think we can achieve it by
Last,
that time.
how important is Imtex for you?
Oh, it is. I feel I come back home. I've been attending this show many years before the COVID time, until COVID time. So I was absent for 4 years, everybody. So I feel very comfortable to attending a show, and I have many friends, not only our customers, but I have a lot of friends from local manufacturers and suppliers and so on. I'm very looking forward to meeting those people during my visit in Intex.